guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1970 Chevelle. This car is fully restored, beautiful condition. Sitting on weld wheels. We've got a 454 under the hood with 475 horse. Definitely mean. ET streets on the back. Weld wheels all the way around. Power steering, power brakes. Vintage air conditioning. Full serpentine system. Victor high-rise manifold, double pumper carburetor, stainless steel brake lines, MSD Ignition, nice big aluminum radiator, keeps it cool. Those are hooker headers down there. Blaster coil. The headlights up front, you can change those with the color on your Bluetooth phone. Complete custom interior, custom center console, custom sound system. Got woofers in the back, trunk. Beautiful dash, all brand new. This stereo rocks, man. Quicksilver shifter by B&M. Custom center console with cup holders. We got headrest DVD also. One in each of the headrests. Pretty awesome. This car runs, man. Woo! Some sticky tires back there. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out our website for more pictures. It's webeautos.com. We offer worldwide shipping and financing, so I hope to hear from you soon. Fast. I would say just shy of 500 horsepower. Looks like. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.